This video is sponsored by Fiverr. Welcome back, friends and family. This is week 785 on clearing out my abandoned home. This week we are trying to do drywall.
Drywall?
Drywall.
Drywall.
We're trying to get rid of them drywall in this house. So I got new gloves.
I don't know about you, but I think this is a great room to start in. So when we're dealing with this drywall, we have to put it in these bags. These really expensive clear bags that you have the double bag. Like every time we fill a bag, how much does it cost? $10?
You want to start from the corner or you want to start from here?
You choose.
We can start from here. It's already helped us.
Oh, this is going to be so handy, this wheelbarrow. I got it.
And then we can break it right in here.
Oh. This light is so beautiful.
It's super cool. Caught on fire.
It caught on fire?
Yeah. And this just needs to be clean and stuff. And you can actually restore it. So this is good to save.
Yeah,
this just needs to go.
This needs to be replaced.
Yeah, and it's missing a grounding wire, so.
One more now. Good news, this one did not catch on fire.
It's pretty wild how they built this corner. It's just kind of like lowered here for no reason. It's like weird.
We won't do that, right?
We can if you want to, or we can just keep it all straight.
No more ants?
Oh, there's more.
So we're gonna clean this up now?
Yeah, let's go clean it up.
Oh. So pretty much we're done this one section now. We're gonna clean it up and then, are we gonna do the stairs next?
Yeah, we're gonna do the stairs next.
Then we're gonna do the stairs next.
So good news, we actually don't have to eat lunch outside or in our truck today because we are actually moving 5 minutes from the house and we got the house. We just haven't moved yet. We've just been moving a couple things over here and there, but we have a kitchen there. So we actually can go drive 5 minutes and eat somewhere nicer now. Well, Nick's on the roof right now. We had lunch, but I forgot a can opener. Brought some soup, but didn't have a can opener, so we just had some bread and cream cheese.
Yeah, it looks terrible in here.
It's good progress though, you know, that's all I can say. It's good progress.
I guess it's gotta look worse before it gets better.
Yeah. Ants, 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 ants. I can hear them, yeah. They're like in the insulation here.
Oh my gosh! Yeah, so the problem is they're coming out of there.
Yeah.
See, one just fell. Once you lift that, I'm worried there's gonna be
more.
There's 100% there's gonna be more. I just don't know how many more. Not as many as I was thinking. It's probably my least favorite job is exterminator so far. Oh, it's gonna get cold in here now.
Oh yeah, there's no more insulation. But not least,
we got a really fancy ladder.
It goes like this.
You really took one for the team today.
That was tough.
You did a really good job.
Thanks, Jenna. I have one more little piece and then we're officially done this roof section. Do you want to give you a shot at it?
Patch it?
Yeah.
So I recently moved, and also today's video is sponsored by Fiverr. The past month, I've been working with some freelancers on Fiverr. If you guys don't know what Fiverr is, pretty much it's this platform that connects you with freelancers that can pretty much do anything. So I wanted to take this opportunity to hire 3 different freelancers to see how they would design my house and to give you more inspiration on how I should design my house. But honestly, they do so much more than that. You can have people, write your copy for you and even edit your videos. So for the freelancers, I hired 3 different tiers: a low, a medium, and a high price point. They all got the same criteria on the floor plan and what furnitures to include, and also just general aesthetics I like. The first freelancer, this one is the low range price point. Off the bat, I love the wood ceiling. They put a fireplace in the middle, but they put bookshelves on top. That's pretty cool. Next room, my couches. So another furniture piece was the couches and the coffee table. Next image. Then there's the other side of the kitchen, which they took out the fireplace. Kind of surprised they took out the fireplace, but I see why they did it. They put the fireplace in the middle and then they were able to make the kitchen bigger. Next one. The next freelancer is the mid-range price point. Okay. See, this is the fireplace I was talking about. This looks incredible. I love the fireplace. They did a crazy good job on the ceiling. Holy moly, that's exactly what I want for the ceiling. Next room. Oh, a second fireplace in the middle. This one, they didn't block off the staircase. So the last one, they put a wall there. This one, they kept it open, which I definitely wanted open. And then they tied the kitchen in with this black accent wall. And then for the last freelancer, this is the highest price point. Here's a kitchen. Again, they took out the fireplace, but if there was no fireplace there, this is exactly what I would do in my kitchen. I would have a big window, like the biggest window possible. That's a beautiful kitchen. It's slightly different than the aesthetic I'm going for, but I really wanted to give them their take on what they would do. Oh, the curtains look so good. Oh, my couches look so amazing. They took away the staircase too. I definitely like it open, just makes the room feel bigger. And then there's the last one. So that was their original design that they came up with. But because there's revisions with this, I did give my thoughts on what they should revise. So they did give me a final revision of all the images, but I'm just gonna show you the final revision of each of the kitchens. So 1, 2, 3. So there they are. Let me know down below in the comments which rendering you like the best out of the 3 freelancers. And if you guys want to try out Fiverr, be sure to use my code JennaPhipps10 to get 10% off your order, and also use my link fvrr.co/JennaPhipps, and it'll take you right to Fiverr. Welcome back, friends and family. It's day 2. I gotta admit, our first day, we didn't get much done. Progress, a little slow, especially with the double bagging dilemma thing. Yeah, we did some research and we figured out we actually don't need to double bag everything if we take it to this recycling depot, where it's actually pretty cool. They take used drywall, and they make new drywall with it. And you don't need to double bag it. You actually don't even need to bag it at all. So that's gonna help us a lot. Number 2, we do have an extra set of hands today. His name's David. You can call him Dave or Drywall Dave. He was in the room when I was birthed. He didn't birth me, but he's also known as my dad.
How's the drywall going?
Well, we found this under the drywall, which is cool. but they hammered nails through everything, which is not cool. Opens right up.
It's like you're going into Walmart. So it's looking like a bomb went off in here. We actually just finished. Oh, I'm just filming. We just finished taking apart the whole roof. So, cleanup crew Jenna, I'm gonna clean this all up now.
Well, it's day 3. I wish I could say we got half the house done yesterday, but we didn't. We got one room and half a room done, and we realized after we finished that one room, we're gonna have some issues with this drywall. There's no way we can put it into truck and drive it down. It would take like 75,000 loads. There's no way we could do that. So we did some research last night and we found out we can get a bin that will take the bin to the recycling drywall center. It's a dream come true. They're coming tomorrow, so one issue off the plate.
Okay, so this is all the drywall from the 2 rooms. We officially got 2 rooms. We got this master bed and this second bed, all the drywall out, but now we're realizing there's drywall in the bathroom, so I think we actually have to do a bathroom demo today too.
How do you feel about that?
I'm very sad to destroy the tile in there. It's so pretty. Are we gonna get rid of the toilets today?
Yeah, we have to. They'll be in the way.
Oh, the toilets are so pretty.
We'll take them out carefully.
Okay.
With dignity.
We're going. Well, I go outside for 2 minutes to move the wood paneling, and my dad got rid of the bathroom. My dad did that all by himself. I'm so proud of him.
Demo Dave do a good job?
He did a great job. Oh my gosh.
All crawling in there again. Yeah, the moment I put my hand in there, I was like, crunch, and I was like, uh-oh.
That many?
That many, yeah. And then I just booked it and ran for the vacuum.
Wow, that shook the toilet.
Huh?
That shook the toilet.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh. I can't get this stupid thing. I'm not paid enough for this. I'm not paid at all, actually. This house better be good, I swear. This house looks like crap in the end.
I broke it.
You did.
The sink is still usable though. It's like nice and even, but everything else might need a bit of work.
Yeah.
But the sink is good.
It's a pretty sink.
Wow, we are finding so many new friends in this house. We have ants, we have mice, and rats, and now we have this guy. He's huge. Like, I just want you guys to understand how big it is. Let me touch him.
Can you put your hand against him?
Like, that's
Do
my
not
hand.
touch him. I think he's alive.
Look at that. Look how big he is compared to my finger.
Do you think he's alive?
I don't know. We found another hole in our house. This one's like a pretty big hole.
How are you gonna demo this now with the hole in the floor?
We'll just put a piece of plywood here. Gotta get this all cleaned up anyway, so piece of plywood, and then we'll demo. I know, they also had a leak here. I wonder if this is where the pipe burst on the first day.
Well, once we take this wall down, we'll find where the pipe burst.
Yeah, it'll
We'll
take long
finally
enough,
know.
but I'm excited to see.
Anyways, Are you okay?
I almost fell.
We are done for the day. Can I show you my drywall room? I'm showing them my drywall room. Yeah, we have a truck coming tomorrow for this. I mean a bin. We have a bin coming here tomorrow for this.
Head to fvrr.co/JennaPhipps to check out the services available to you and get 10% off with my code JennaPhipps10. Thanks again, Fiverr, for sponsoring today's video.